gates that I made. 2. Right down there. We're building a tree house. Okay, so, big project. Tree house. The customer did all these drawings. We're building this. It's not actually a tree house. It's a shed next to a tree. These are the dimensions. It's going to be roughly 4 meters high. It's going to be a log store at the bottom, playhouse at the top. Now, originally the balcony was going to be in front of the tree. However, now that tree is going to be here. So we're building it back into the garden. Now this line represents the centre of the posts. Dug 2 posts. There are so many roots. I knew this would be an issue with digging next to a tree, and they were a good size. They were at least about 2 inches, and they were all going down, so it was even harder to dig. The most important part of any digging, any setting out, is the setting out. I didn't film the setting out because it took so long, and I think if you take longer doing your setting out, the higher the chances are you get it right. That's my philosophy. So if you don't know what I'm doing, me and my cousin, because it's my cousin's place we're doing this at, so the base of the tree house shed is posts that going in the ground. It's going to be 66 posts going in the ground, 600 mils with concrete surround. Yeah, that's it. Look at the size of that.